So hi, my name is Gnanika. So today we will be interviewing around 6 people, asking them 2 questions. First one will be what comes to their mind when we say the word fast fashion. And the second one would be would they mind paying more if the clothing was sustainable and ethically made? So, and we will take their opinions on would they pay more or no, why or why not and stuff. Thank you.
What comes to your mind when you think about fast fashion?
So fast fashion is like the fastest and cheapest way to try out new looks. The good thing about this fast fashion thing is I can try out new looks without investing for a designer piece and all. And the thing about fast fashion is sometimes the quality of the clothes will be it looks cheap. It may be poorly constructed and all. But yeah, it's upon us. We have to be very selective so that the quality of the clothes we wear does not get compromised and all. Yeah.
Thank you.
So would you pay more for a clothing if you knew it was sustainably and ethically made? Why or why not?
I think yes, I would pay more because sustainably and ethically made clothes are better for workers and also for the environment. Even if they cost more, they are usually better in quality and also it lasts longer.
Thank you.
What comes to your mind when you think about fast fashion?
If I think about fast fashion, for weekly, every week I change Zara, Trends and Zudio, etc. It's like when environment change, even our body will change. So I will be preferring fast fashion. That's all.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So would you pay more for a clothing if you knew it was sustainably and ethically made? So why or why not?
Sustainability is good for environment, right? So I should pay for it. And that's a good reason to look into it. And most of the people should look into this criteria in the same way that that will make them more productive than others.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi. So what comes to your mind when you think about fast fashion and what comes to your mind when you think about sustainable fashion?
When you say about the fast fashion, I get H&M and Zara brands and they are hurting the fast fashion. So when you say about the sustainable fashion, I really don't know which comes under sustainable fashion. But yeah, it is a really good move.
Thank you.
So would you pay more if you knew the clothing was made more ethically and sustainably? Why or why not?
I would, but it's highly dependent on what kind of sustainable it is. Like if it's, well sourced and all that, yeah, I would definitely pay higher. But if it's just like branding, then I wouldn't.
Okay. Thank you.
So to conclude my thoughts on this, after interviewing 6 people, we understood that people wouldn't mind paying more for sustainable fashion, but also majority of them do not have a good grasp on what fast fashion is. Most of us just know what fashion is, that comes under H&M or Zara, but they do not know what H&M or Zara does. We know that these brands burn outsold stock or unsold stock every week, and this fashion changes every week just to keep up with trends. So I think there needs to be more consumer awareness between people among what these brands do, and sustainable fashion needs to be more popularized among the people. Once this has been done, I think majority of the answers would be yes, they would like to pay more for sustainable fashion, and also in the market more sustainably fashionable brands needs to come up and make good quality clothing that people would like to actually wear, because right now we do not have the choice. Most of the consumers don't even know what sustainable fashion is because they look for things that are aesthetically pleasing. So if brands step up and make aesthetically pleasing clothes sustainably, it would not only be a majority market for it, most of the people would prefer it. Thank you.